All right, here are our quiz 5 solutions for Math 65. Let's see, we're given, I think there's 3 problems here. The first one, polynomial long division. Hint, there should be no remainder. All right, let's see. Polynomial long division, we take the denominator, kind of put it on the outside of our long division symbol here, and then take the numerator and write it underneath this long division sign. And then our goal is to kind of eliminate one column in each step. What do you mean eliminate one column? Well, I want to get rid of this 2x to the third. The way I get rid of this 2x to the third is I write something up top here. It'll be x squared in this case, so that when I take that something and multiply it by this polynomial and then subtract, this column will cancel out. I think that might be easier to show than to say. X squared times 2x is 2x to the third. X squared times negative 3 is negative 3x squared. And you'll note that if I subtract now, as you do in your long division algorithm, this column cancels out. For this column, I got negative 7 of these x squared things, and I want to subtract negative 3 of these x squared things. Subtracting a negative is just like adding. So really what I have is negative 7 plus 3, which is negative 4x squared. And then just bring down the rest of this polynomial and repeat. Exact same idea. If you could do that first step, you can do all this stuff. Same thing, except now I'm not trying to get rid of this column, I'm trying to get rid of this column. So write something up top so that I'll end up canceling out this negative 4x squared. What is that something? Well, that something will get multiplied by the 2x and 2x minus 3, and I need to end up with negative 4x squared, so it seems like that something is negative 2x. Negative 2x times 2x is negative 4x squared. Negative 2x times negative 3 is positive 6x. I now subtract. Negative 4x squared minus negative 4x squared is the same as negative 4x squared plus 4x squared, which is just 0. 4x minus 6x is negative 2x. And then I can bring down this 3 right here. 3 minus nothing is 3. One more step. I want to get rid of this negative 2x right here. To put something up here so that when I multiply it by 2x, I get negative 2x. That something is minus 1. Minus 1 times 2x is minus 2x. Minus 1 times minus 3 is positive 3. And now when I subtract, I get 0, which is a good thing because it told me there should be no remainder. This is polynomial long division. What it says is this polynomial divided by this polynomial is equal to that polynomial right there. All right, now that we have our answer here, I'm going to show you a way to check your answer. I actually changed this quiz a little bit, so the only thing that's remaining on the quiz that you will see is to check that we got the right answer here by multiplying this answer by the denominator here. So what I'm saying is, kind of generally speaking, if we have 6 divided by 2 equals 3, for example, and we're not sure if our division's right over here, we're not sure if 6 divided by 2 really is 3, we can check our answers. We can say, well, if we're right, 6 should be equal to 2 times 3. Right? Division has this nice property that is kind of the inverse of multiplication. So we can check that same thing works here. What I'm proposing here, if I did everything right, I'm saying that 2x cubed minus 7x squared plus 4x plus 3 over 2x minus 3, this division problem gives me this is the answer. 6 divided by 2 is 3. If that's true, the 2 times the 3 should be equal to the 6. So what I'm saying is we can check our answer down here by multiplying x squared minus 2x minus 1 and 2x minus 3. And if we do everything right, we should get 2x cubed minus 7x squared plus 4x plus 3. So let's see, when we're multiplying polynomials, there's a couple ways you can do it. The way I kind of prefer is this box method. Kind of helps keep everything organized. Make sure you multiply all the terms you're supposed to multiply. So what we got to do is fill in these 6 boxes. 2x times x squared. If you think about this as 2x to the 1 power, and this is 1 times x squared. The coefficient, the 1 times the 2 gives me 2. And then with the exponents, x to the first power times x to the second power, we add those exponents and get x to the third power. And if you do similar logic throughout, you get minus 4x squared minus 2x minus 3x squared plus 6x plus 3. So what I'm saying is this times this is equal to whatever I have on the inside of these boxes here. Well, what I have is 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus 4x squared plus 6x minus 2x plus 3. I just copied down all 6 of these things. And now if we combine like terms, I only have the one cubed term, but I have 2 squared terms. I have negative 3 of these x squareds minus 4 more of these x squareds. So I have negative 7 of these x squareds. And as far as my x's go, I got 6 of them minus 2 of them, so I got 4 of them. And then I got this plus 3. And if you check up here, it looks like 2x squared minus 7x squared, 2x cubed minus 7x squared plus 4x plus 3 was exactly what I was supposed to get. So it looks like I did do my division right to begin with, and I was able to check my answer. So I'll relabel this since, like I said, I changed your quiz. It covers different topics than I had planned on covering. What you will get is 15 points if you can do the polynomial long division, and then 5 more if you correctly multiply them back together. I guess that's the end of the solution, so I'll stop the video here.